Did you know that the gift of storytelling might just be one of life's most powerful and envied skills? You see, stories have the power and the potential to make people laugh, to make us cry, to educate us, to encourage us, to build people up, but also to tear people down. You see, whether you're a parent, a teacher, an employee, an employer, an entrepreneur, or even a student, a well-told story can completely transform the perspectives and the worldviews of other people. And today the world is absolutely crying out for more people who are able to do this well. You see, storytelling is this hugely powerful way of organising information, which kind of takes people on a journey. You see, every story that's ever been told throughout history has a start, has a middle, and it has an end. Stories are generally always themed around a character, a hero or a villain, and are often based around a sequence of events and a natural progression towards a deeper level of personal understanding. You know, going back millennia ago, since the dawn of humanity, it's kind of as if human beings have been pre-programmed to understand and engage with stories. You see, it's only through stories that the knowledge, understandings and insights that people have learned have been passed throughout the ages from one generation of people to another. I mean, I don't know if you've ever heard that storytelling is literally as old as language itself. I mean, we've all heard stories, we all love a good story, but not too many people are as effective at actually telling stories as what they would like to be. So this is what we're going to be looking at and addressing throughout this course. You see, by becoming an effective storyteller, you're going to become more influential in other people's eyes, perhaps your children, perhaps your employees, your next audience, or even with your friends. And this will happen as you help them to see the things that perhaps they don't yet currently see. And when this happens, guess what? Other people are going to see you as being of so much greater value. You see, many teachers and people in life will do their very best to deliver information, to deliver facts, to deliver principles. So, consider all these things, information, facts, principles, as nothing more than a series of dots. You see, it's only through effective stories that most people are actually able to connect these dots and actually understand the information that's being presented to them. So, this is what I am going to do my very best to help you achieve by the end of this course. You see, for my intentions are not to send you to sleep by delivering a whole load of boring information that you could have read somewhere else in a book, but what I am intending to do is just simply lead by example. You see, what I want to do here is just take you on a bit of a journey and tell you a whole load of stories that are going to enable you to understand what it is that I've grown to understand about engaging and effective storytelling throughout my life to date. So, without further ado, let's get started and begin this journey towards you being able to influence other people more effectively by telling more engaging stories.